We'll talk about depression. Depression is an interesting topic, and we're going to come at it from a spiritual angle about what it means to me. We can agree or not agree. But depression is that space of nothingness. And it's actually one of the steps that I found was actually extremely critical for me to walk into a space of becoming more aware and more enlightened. Joe Dispenza talks about this thing between going from somebody to nobody to everybody. And when you look at even David Hawking's scale of consciousness, it's going from nothing, right, with shame, all the way to this space of neutrality, to a space of enlightenment. And so when you think about depression, it's this middle ground to where it seems really empty. You just want to feel something. And the beautiful thing is that once you actually understand how painful it is to not feel anything, and any feeling feels great. And so the aspect of coming out of the depression means that anything along the feeling spectrum is the opportunity for you to love yourself just to feel again. So as you start thinking about these areas where people in your life are depressed or you're feeling depressed, it's really you starting to wake yourself up to understanding the fact that any feeling in your life is a feeling of you loving yourself and reminding yourself that I would rather feel shame than feel nothing. I'd rather feel love than feel nothing. I'd rather feel guilt than feel nothing. And then you start to turn those feelings from guilt into love. Anyway, just a thought. Thank you guys. I love you.